Ma, who is that?
Pedro. He's my Kizomba teacher.
I mean, the man takes care of me. He practically gives me everything I need.
The last Anago man I met, I had to pay for dinner, pay for a hotel room, and he ended up buying me expensive jewelry, which he stole back.
Dad, do you know what's happening in the house?
I am dreaming. I can see a handsome, well-built young man approaching. He has lifted me up into his strong arms. Oh!
Ma!
Hey!
Bagawaya.
Upapawaya. Hey, Grace, it's Simpson. The tables have turned.
What do you mean?
He fainted yesterday.
What? Chief!
Me kunto kwa na kofu chema na uchire chire mu. Hey, mama charge.